Is snoring a problem for you? Well, probably not for you, but I bet it is for your bed partner. That's why I'm here. My name's Dr. Jonathan Greenburg. I'm a sleep doctor and the inventor of the ZYPPAH mouthpiece, which is Happy Z spelled backwards. I've also treated thousands of patients successfully to stop their snoring. So what have I created? It's this mouthpiece. The key is the seatbelt for the tongue, which is this strap here. Nobody else has it because we've patented. And it works on 91% of the people. It works so well, we have a 91-day warranty. Get this, get back in the bedroom, don't ever get kicked out again.